Sup low-end gamers, Akshay here. Previously I made a video on how to install Ghost Spectre, and Ghost Spectre came with Ghost Toolbox in the desktop. And most people don't know how to use it for the first time, and that's why I made this video to fix that problem. If this video helps, then like the video and maybe subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start by opening Ghost Toolbox. You can find Ghost Toolbox in the desktop. If you don't have it, don't worry. Open File Explorer and follow me. You will get this CMD window. Wait for it to load. Click 1 to go inside the first option. The first option is a menu with features and shows past notifications in the corner of the taskbar. It will look like this. If you want to access these settings quick, then enable this option. If you don't like it, then disable it. Next is Cortana. It is not recommended for gaming and just uses space. If you use a printer, then enable this service. Next is Cortana Beta. Just disable this option by uninstalling it. If your device supports Windows Hello, then enable this service. If you have a touchscreen PC and want to use touch keyboard, then enable this service. Select the second option. This option is a cleaner. Choose the first option and wait for it to finish. Select the third option. It is also a cleaner but for UMP apps. Choose the first option and wait for it to finish. The fourth option is a Windows activator, but it's not working, but there is a way to activate this Windows. Just keep watching the video. For now, choose the fifth option. Disable both first and second options. Next is virtual memory. Choose the sixth option. I recommend 8GB, but remember it uses 8GB of space in your C drive. Choose option number 5 for 8GB virtual RAM. Next is to give ownership to the current user you are logged in right now. Select first option to add it. Next one is to pause Windows Update till 2077. I don't recommend it, so we can skip that option. Next option is to compress your C drive to get more space. I only recommend it if you have HDD or SSD under 128GB space. If you want to use it, then choose the second option for both HDD and SSD. Now the UMP apps section. If you want MS Store, then type 10. Choose the first option to install MS Store. You can install many other apps here too. You can even install the old Intel control panel of 5th gen or older CPUs. Next is Game Bar. If you want to install it, then choose this option. I am skipping this option for performance. We are skipping number 19 because it's not used as much. We are skipping number 19 because it's not used as much. Clipboard is not that needed, but if you're in a tablet, then enable the touch keyboard. Next is Xbox Game Pass. It's outdated and won't work, so we can skip that. Next 3 options are your wish, if you want it or not. Next is MS.NET Framework. If you want, you can download it. Next is some options for Win 11, but I'm on Windows 10, so I'm skipping. Next is the installer. You can install apps here when using Ghost Spectre for the first time. After that section, the first option is just a benchmark for your disk. Next is some customization, so if you want some, then select this. The first area, you can change in the Windows settings. Next is UI ribbon. It looks like this, if you want to disable it. Next tie you can just disable for more performance in-game. The next 2 is your wish to add it or not. I'm skipping. You can skip the next one and choose the number 32 to change Win Edition. You can change your Win Edition here, and you can activate Windows here too. Just need internet connection and restart your PC. Next is add or changing the admin's name, skipping. You can skip all of them after that. But install these apps, it's very important for daily use. Then you can close the CMD prompt and restart your PC. Hope you find something useful in the video. If yes, then like the video and give this video to other Ghost Spectre users. And I will see you next time. Have a good day.